Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use the Time Dagger in Battlegrounds Mobile India. This isn't just any ordinary melee weapon, it's a game changer. You can acquire this powerful tool during special events by collecting an orange dagger and an upgrade token, then forging them at a designated station on the map. It provides unique advantages for quick takedowns and improved movement across the battlefield. The Time Dagger's most distinctive feature is its teleportation ability, letting you rewind your position to where you first activated it. This powerful move can be used once per match to escape dangerous situations or reposition strategically. Additionally, it allows for incredibly quick and silent melee attacks, ensuring enemies are eliminated without alerting others, and provides a noticeable boost to your overall movement speed. Strategically, the Time Dagger excels in close-quarters combat. Use it for swift, silent eliminations when rushing enemies or defending positions. Pairing it with utility items like smoke grenades or flashbangs can create perfect opportunities for surprise attacks. It's ideal for ambush tactics, applying pressure in the final zones, and executing silent entries into compounds, catching opponents completely off guard. To truly master the Time Dagger, consistent practice is key. Hone your close-range reflexes in modes like Team Deathmatch. Focus on combining the dagger with advanced movement techniques such as jumping, crouching, peeking, zigzagging, and drop-shotting to evade enemy fire while closing the distance. Always pay attention to sound cues and utilize third-person peeking to anticipate enemy movements, giving you a crucial advantage in every engagement.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.